Trying to move on with somebody less like you. I don't know how we end up in the red. I must have read your comments again. Hey, Grylands. It is your girl, Akira Christina, and I'm back with another video. And I am in my makeup room, filming room, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just here to give the girls some gems, right? We all want to look good, and who wants to pay $45 for foundation? NARS. This is for my client. This is not me. But NARS foundation is $45. Fenty foundation is like what, $35. You know, like, we have to get back to using inexpensive makeup. And although I do love those brands, what about the girlies who can't afford to drop $45 on a bottle of foundation? Guess a full tank. If you take regular, it's $45. A phone bill might be $45. A water bill, if you live in an apartment or a townhome, maybe $45. That $45 can be put to better use. So if you are trying to save money and don't want to spend $100 on foundation plus concealer plus setting powder, I am going to show you my favorite products that I use that gets me a nice glam face. And actually most of the products I have on my face right now. So a skin-like look, glam face, and you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on makeup. Okay? The Halo Glow e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation and Ulta is $14. I have it on right now, and it gives skin. Okay? It gives skin, the consistency, I love it. It's everything. It is medium to full coverage. I think, let me see. Medium to full coverage. It comes with like a little stick that you like dip it in, kind of like how you put on lip gloss, one of those applicators. And honestly, it goes a long way. So that's $14. I've had mine for about like 4 months now, three months now, and bottle's still full. And I'm getting the same look just with a cheaper foundation. Okay, yeah. The second backup foundation, which is not like a backup as in it comes in second, but just like another foundation that is very inexpensive, is the NYX foundation. NYX has good foundation and it is cheap, and it is $14 as well. I think that one is $12 or $14. Anyways, you can get two of those, $28. I mean, you still not paying $45. You still not paying $45. So we're saving money. We're saving money there. For concealer, my favorite concealers that are inexpensive are what is it? Juvia's Place concealer. Juvia's Place concealer, I believe, is $16. It's between $14 and $16, like, yeah, $14 and $16. Oh man, it might be $20. It might be $20, but I spent $35 on Hourglass concealer, so you're still saving money. The other one, the e.l.f. has primer. e.l.f. primer is, I believe, $10. And then you have, I think NYX has concealer. I'm not 100% sure. I've never used NYX concealer if they have it, but I know for a fact it's cheaper than Hourglass and Fenty. So there you have that. The other concealer, that the OG concealer, is the LA Pro Girl concealer that you can get from your local beauty store, that people still using because it ain't never failed nobody. That's $4.99. So let's talk about it. And it crazy is, it used to be like $2 or like $1.99. Now it keep going up because they didn't got hip to people keep buying it. But I will still use that to this day and still get a full beat down, girl. Still. Don't sleep on it because it's in the beauty supply. Get it. For blush, right now I'm loving the Juvia's Place blush. I believe I paid about $10 to $14 for the Juvia's Place liquid blush. However, if you decide not to get the Juvia's Place liquid blush, I also get the powder blush, and I'll put all of the products that I'm listing here on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about, and you can go copy you some. If y'all hear water running, that's my fiance, my bad. And then for setting spray, who has... NYX has setting spray, that's $12. Elf has setting spray, that's $10. And then of course your girl Morphe, okay? Morphe setting spray. Morphe setting spray, the medium can is like $16, $14. The big can is $12. You're still saving money there, because one can of one size is like $30. It's like $30. And yeah, so those are the cheapest setting sprays. As far as setting powder, Juvia's Place has setting powder. However, and I use to use Juvia's Place setting powder all the time, and it's good. Just make sure that you have different setting powders for different skin tones. I believe they have like the white, the yellow, the walnut or something like that. However, the setting powder that I'm on right now that like I'm obsessed with is the one size setting powder. That's like $20, $25 for the big one. It's not that inexpensive, but if a little bit goes a long way. I've had mine for about 6 months and I haven't ran out yet, and I do makeup frequently. But I will say I really love that the Ultra Pink translucent powder from one size, so it might be a good deal. I'm just saying, it might be. But those are my list of products. Also, if you do decide to go the more expensive route, Morphe has a matte setting powder, and LA Girl has a matte setting spray for summertime. These are good products to invest in, especially for your summertime, because these are going to keep your makeup on all day. And if you're like me and you like glowy skin, summertime it's already given oily skin anyway. So but I like my skin that way. I know it's weird, some people don't like it, but whatever. I like my skin that way. But that is like my favorite combo in the summertime. I'm going to use the Morphe matte mattifying spray with the LA Girl mattifying spray, and then you can use the one size. Just make sure if you're using it that you definitely set your full face with powder if you want your makeup to last all day and really give off a matte look. That's all I gotta say about that. Thank you guys for watching. Those are my favorites. Like I said, I'll put everything on the screen. You'll see it. That way you know exactly what the product look like and what I'm talking about. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.